driving home and it's taking forever. You listen to K-Bit and you can't record yourself. And you go 2 miles an hour. And then you see how many people look at it. It's ridiculous. Driving away. A guy without his chest tied up is going to see me. That looks sweet up there. Look over there. There's 2 putts. Look. We're driving. There's 19th Street. People know it as Martin Luther King, but 19th Street. I don't care what you call it.